Our world is run by money, and it's unfortunate that educational institutions don't incorporate basic finance education in their curriculums. Let's face it, when it comes to financial literacy, school has failed us all. The one place that should have given us knowledge and prepared us in a way where we are confident with our financial-based dilemmas is school. But it turns out that financial education is something we all must pursue on our own. We all should aim to become financially literate. But what is financial literacy, and why is it so important? These are the questions I aim to tackle in this video. Before we get started, please leave a like, share this video with a friend, comment any topics you would like to see in the future, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. So what is financial literacy? According to Investopedia, financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. The lack of these skills is called financial illiteracy. In recent decades, financial literacy has become more important and more entangled in the daily lives of all individuals. You may have heard the term cash is king. Earlier generations of Americans primarily purchased goods in cash, but today, most purchases are made with credit. Over the years, multiple psychological studies have been conducted to determine the effects of using cash and using a credit card when purchasing items. The studies determined using cash registered as a painful event to the brain, but the items purchased were valued more. When using credit cards, researchers noticed there was a disconnect between the pleasure of purchasing an item and the pain of paying for it. Credit cards make it easier to overpay and buy more items. Dave Ramsey recommends people should cut up their credit cards and purchase everything using cash and debit. Using cash will help you stick to your financial plans, but credit cards can be used responsibly too. Today, credit cards are only one of multiple financial products available commercially. A few examples of other financial products that are entangled in the daily lives of individuals are mortgages, student loans, car loans, medical bills, and self-directed investment accounts. Having a strong foundation of financial literacy will help with managing each of these products, as well as giving you the ability to make the best decisions based on your individual circumstances. The following is a list of basic skills for anyone aiming to build a strong foundation for their financial life. Number 1, creating a household budget. Number 2, managing and paying off debts. Number 3, saving money. Number 4, increasing your credit score. Number 5, investing for your future. Number 6, obtaining assets. And number 7, a basic understanding of taxes. Financial literacy can help manage and even alleviate the effects of financial stress. Financial stress can lead to a multitude of problems, such as developing anxiety, depression, drug or alcohol abuse, self-harm, or even suicide. Financial stress is a very real problem, and there are many families that are dealing with it on a daily basis. According to a 2016 article from Forbes, 63% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $500 emergency. According to a 2020 DaveRamsey.com post, 80% of Americans hold some form of debt. With an alarming majority of households suffering from debt and financial stress, financial education has never been more important. 2020 was a rough year on so many families, and no one knows if 2021 or the future is going to be any better. But we all should put ourselves in positions to succeed. Benjamin Franklin said, "If you fail to plan, you plan to fail." It might be a good idea to go forward with a plan, even a loosely based one. No one knows what the future holds, but having a plan will give you a path to follow. Take the time to educate yourself and aim to become financially literate. Let knowledge and education be the candles that help light your path forward. With that, we have arrived at the end of the video. Please consider liking the video, sharing it with a friend, commenting below, and subscribing for future content. Also consider checking out some of the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.